PremierCell is an application designed to enrich mononuclear cell fraction from apheresis products. The application is designed for use with a density gradient medium like Ficoll-Paque media, in combination with the Sefia S-2000 Cell Processing instrument and CT 300.1 single-use kit. PremierCell application fully automates concentration, platelet depletion, density gradient-based isolation, and washing steps under temperature control. User-definable parameters give you flexibility to fully configure steps of your process. Initial dilution, pre-isolation, DGM isolation, post-isolation, final product conditioning. The first part of pre-isolation step is to concentrate the cells inside the separation chamber. PremierCell application centrifuges at a low speed to enhance platelet depletion. This step depletes a large number of platelets. You can perform one or more washing cycles to enhance platelet depletion with pre-isolation washing solution. Then the system extracts cells into the intermediate bag and fills the separation chamber with a density gradient medium. While centrifugation continues, the cellular product fills into the separation chamber through the peristaltic pump. The density gradient medium separates supernatant and mononucleated cells from red blood cells and granulocytes by forming vertical layers inside the separation chamber. The supernatant, MNCs, and a part of density gradient medium are then extracted to the intermediate bag. The system extracts the non-target cells to the waste bag. Finally, the intermediate product is washed with a washing solution to remove reagent and cell debris before being extracted to the final bag. You can perform formulation using the thermal mixer with temperature control. PremierCell application gives you the option to split the product into 2 final bags. Secure and standardize your process by using Sefia instrument with PremierCell, a closed and automated solution. Contact Cytiva for a PremierCell demo.